Kennedy, good morning.
Good morning, David. Here it is.
What are you cooking up breakfast over here?
My coffee. This is Mean Bean by Monster.
Why don't you toss that back?
Okay.
Come on. That's
It's not very good.
Alright guys, so we're back in Oklahoma City. We've never left. Yeah, streetcar takeover. Good morning. So if you guys didn't know, Kennedy didn't sleep that great last night. Inside joke. Anyways, so back streetcar takeover. Joe's cleaning the car up. We've got a 30-mile cruise this morning, and then Joe's gonna be in the street racer heads up class, and then also small tire. So hopefully get some test passes, and then we'll go on the cruise, and then we're gonna be going some rounds.
Try a wide angle of his.
I always do the wide angle. Joe, where's the wide angle at?
Where's the wide angle? How do you do it?
He doesn't have it on his phone.
No, I don't have the new one. I can't do the wide angle. That's only for wrist fuckers.
There you go.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Joe's getting all the angles right
Yeah, I
now.
don't know if I like the wide angle.
It looks cool in some spots.
Closer.
No, that's trash. Ken.
Joe doesn't like the fisheye. Joe knows. He's the Instagram guy.
Yeah.
Ooh, what if we did it like this though?
That makes it look so wide.
Let me auto edit mine real quick.
Get them angles.
John, how you feeling today?
You know, I've been better. Definitely, yeah,
Definitely gotta keep those on today.
Low bloodshot. Kind of smell like a brewery, but you know,
It's okay.
hey, we're
It's
racing.
Sunday.
It's the Lord's Day.
It is the Lord's Day.
Where's your hair
Okay,
from?
just leave your phone right there. So last pass was pretty quick, and Joe said he's gonna throw the send it right now.
Anytime I throw the send it goes slower.
That's true. I don't know why that works that way.
Why does it?
So we're gonna try and get one more pass, and then we'll be on to some elimination rounds. So weather's actually pretty good. Got some nice cloud covers, not too hot out. The track's pretty decent. Boy, that was a hit, boy. God damn. Woo! Get low. That was a boy, look at that.
Justin, you're lane number 5.
right? Who's going next? What's his name? Daniel.
First race, number 1. I don't know. I've done the right.
Round 1 done.
That's a good round 1 hit right there, Joe.
Almost.
Joe's got the Nova Street Racer, second or first round, technically, actually. So small tire final right here, White Trash, which is the Mustang Joe lost to, and then got Ryan Mitchell in the Firebird. Thing is bad mamma jamma. It's gonna be a good race. All right, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that video on Streetcar Joe's Fox body. I know it took me like a week from the last video to upload it, but I had a bunch of stuff going on this week. We're super busy at the gym, and it's just been crazy all around. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys don't know, Joe built that car in like 3 months, and he's finally got all the kinks worked out. It usually takes a lot longer to work out the kinks, but you guys know Joe, he works fast, and he's a pretty smart dude. But he's got the Fox body running really good. It's running some impressive times, and it's going to be pretty exciting to watch that car go down once the weather gets a little better, because if you don't know, it is super hot in Texas right now. So we don't have too much planned for July at the moment. Hopefully August comes around. We do have the flashlight shootout August 22nd in Amarillo, and then we'll see what we're going to do after that. But July is super, super hot in Texas, so who knows how much racing we'll actually be doing. Typically, like last year, we were working on the cars in July and part of August. So we like to do our winter upgrades that everyone else does in the summertime, because it is just too damn hot in Texas to be racing in June and July. But really excited for Joe's car. If you guys want to follow his build, Streetcar Joe on Instagram. And got some good news on the Mustang. So if you guys don't know, I broke the Turbo 400 and getting it rebuilt by Precision Transmission here in Amarillo, Texas. Super nice guys. Richie and Trent over there hooking it up. They actually went on vacation for 2 weeks right as I dropped off the transmission. But I got a call yesterday. It is finally being rebuilt, and they put some super nice high quality parts in it. So we should have a 2,000 horsepower capable transmission, and we're going to freaking send it on this thing. So hopefully I'll get that back Monday or Tuesday. We can get it installed in the car, drive around, make sure everything's good to go, and then figure out the plan for the tank staying from there. The problem with me not racing my car is I come up with these crazy ass ideas, and I have some really crazy ass ideas coming up that you guys will just have to stay tuned. And don't worry, I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you guys updated. I might not make as many videos, but I won't let you guys down. I will keep you updated on what's going on. But just know that there's some crazy, crazy stuff coming to the channel very soon. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. As always, follow me on Instagram at David VANVORIS. If you guys need any suspension parts, you can use my code VANV39, bmarsuspension.com. I'll see you guys on the next one.